I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a complete beginner. By the end, you'll feel comfortable setting up your space, creating lists, adding tasks, and viewing your work in a way that makes sense for you. Once you log into ClickUp, you'll land in your workspace. Think of the workspace as the main container that holds everything you build. It's the home base for your work, whether you're managing personal to-dos or coordinating a team. Don't worry about getting everything perfect right now. Your workspace is designed to grow with you. On the left sidebar, look for spaces. A space is where you organize broad areas of your life or work, like work, school, or personal. Click to open an existing space or select Create Space to start fresh. Give it a clear, simple name so you always know what belongs there. This keeps your high-level organization clean and helps separate different parts of your life or projects. Inside your space, create a list. Click the plus icon to add a list, then name it something meaningful, like tasks, projects, or schoolwork. A list is where your actual tasks will live, and naming it well helps you find things quickly. Click Create List, and you're ready to start filling it with work. Now, add your first task. Inside the list, click the plus button for a new task, type the task name, and press Enter to save. Keep your task title short and action-oriented, something like Draft Report or Study Chapter 3. This keeps your to-dos clear at a glance. Click the task name to open it and make a few helpful edits. Here, you can change the status, like To Do, In Progress, or Done, to show where the task stands. You can also set a due date to keep yourself on track. Finally, add a brief description if you need to capture context, steps, or links. This is a great place to clarify what Done looks like for that task. When you finish a task, mark it complete by changing its status to Done or Complete. This gives you instant feedback and keeps your list current without deleting anything you might want to revisit later. At the top of your list, try switching views. The list view shows tasks in a simple, clean outline. The board view gives you a Kanban-style layout, which groups tasks by status. Choose the view that helps you understand your work fastest, and that's how you use ClickUp as a complete beginner. Simple, organized, and easy to follow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.